GGetValuesRange function retrieves the values from specified memory addresses within a given range. This function is particularly useful for memory manipulation in games and applications, allowing users to examine and modify specific values in memory. The function returns a table containing the memory addresses you want to read from. These addresses should be specified in hexadecimal format. The script creates a local variable named addressList and assigns it a table, in that case a list of 4 memory addresses. The addresses are given in hexadecimal format. Each address is where the code will try to read memory values. The function GGetValuesRange is called with addressList as its argument. The function retrieves the values stored at the addresses specified in addressList. The result is printed to the console. The output will include the values at the specified addresses or nil if they are invalid or empty. This line calls the function GGSearchNumber, which searches the game's memory for occurrences of the number 10. The GG-type dword parameter indicates that we are looking for a 32-bit integer. This is typically done to locate a value that you want to change. After this function executes, the memory addresses containing the value 10 will be stored internally in GameGuardian. Next, the code retrieves the last 5 memory addresses and their corresponding values from the previous search using GGgetResults. The results are stored in the local variable. The results variable is now a table that holds information about the addresses found during the search, including the values at those addresses. The last line prints the contents of the results variable and calls GGetValuesRange to fetch the actual values at those addresses. The combined output will show both the addresses found and the values located at those addresses. GetValuesRange is a powerful tool in GameGuardian for reading memory values from specified addresses. By combining it with other functions, you can create complex scripts that interact with the memory of games and applications to enhance or change gameplay experiences.